So let's derive some important application layer protocols, some important application layer protocols with their functions and with their port numbers so that you can get it effectively in a quick revision session. So if I talk about DNS, that is domain name server or domain name service, it is having port number 53 and normally it is going to be used, it is going to convert any URL to its effective IP address, any URL, uniform resource locator, let's say www.google.com. So what is the IP address behind this URL? To convert that, DNS will be used. Thereafter we are having HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol. For browsing any query with the help of server we can use it, and the port number associated with HTTP is 80. As well as we are also having HTTPS, that is for hypertext transfer protocol secure. S is here for SSL, secure layer, secure socket layer. So normally it is for secure browsing we use it, and the port number associated with this is 443. Thereafter, we are having some email protocols like SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, whose port number is 25. Normally, it is a push protocol, and it is going to transfer the mail to mail server. Thereafter, we are having POP3, that is one of the protocol, POP3, that is Post Office Protocol, that is right, Post Office Protocol, which is normally having 110 as a port number, as well as 109 is also used, and we are having IMAP 4. What we are having, we are also having IMAP 4. So normally IMAP 4, it is also a IMAP 4 and a POP3 protocol. If we talk about them, then these both kind of protocols are called as pull protocols, and pull protocols are used in email because if we want to get the output, if we are at the receiver's end, then pull protocol will be in the need so that we can fetch the mail, whereas SMTP is called as push protocol, and push protocol is going to be transmit. It means that if we are talking with respect to SMTP, it means that we are working as a sender, and if we are working as a POP3 or IMAP4, it means that we are seeing ourselves as a receiver's device. Now, POP3, 110 and 109 may be the port number, and IMAP4, that is Internet Message Access Protocol, and for it we can use port number 143 for getting these services, right? Thereafter, we are having TELNET, that is Telnet, that is for remote connections over devices, and the port number used for Telnet services is 23. 23 is going to be used as a port number for getting the services remotely. For connecting systems remotely, Telnet is used. And we are having FTP, file transfer protocol. And file transfer protocol is going to have port number 20 as well as 21, because we are having two parts here. One is data connection part and other one is control connection. In data connection, you can download the files using port number 20, but if you want to establish the connection, if you want to upload something or whatever in control, so control segment will have 21 as a port number. So FTP, file transfer protocol, for transmission of files over servers, we can use it, and we are having port number 20 and 21 associated with its services. However, we are also having SSH, Secure Shell Terminal. What we call it as a Secure Shell Terminal, basically used as security purposes. And we are having port number associated as a 22. 22 is a port number that is associated with SSH, that is Secure Shell Terminal. Right now, we are also having SNMP, that is Simple Network Management for managing the networks, and it is having protocols 161 and 162. So I hope all these port numbers will give you use information use facts if they will asked, because many times questions will be theoretically asked from topmost layer of OSI, that is a topmost layer of OSI model. So you may prefer this sheet to get the equivalent idea, and here also we have revised that whatever we have learned under application layer protocol. I hope all these things are clear, and whatever I have told is very much crystal clear to everyone.